Hello and welcome back to the Business Blueprint Online YouTube channel to help you build a successful business. Make sure to like, subscribe, and ring the bell if you want to learn how to start a successful business. Like Alibaba, Amazon, eBay, Shopify, and other online marketplaces available, if there is any business related news on the internet, you are almost certainly aware of it. And now we're going to talk about Amazon. Is it one of those entities? In what ways can we make money on Amazon? This video will show you how to start an Amazon business. What is an Amazon business? Amazon Business gives companies access to Amazon's extensive network of suppliers, allowing them to order in bulk and save money. Additional deals and features are offered to Amazon Business Prime customers to help them manage their cash flow and regulate their business spending. Amazon Business provides its customers a purchasing solution for their small or large businesses. Each company can designate users authorized to shop for office products on Amazon on behalf of their companies. According to the business demands, the main administrator can add or delete authorized users and modify payment methods, delivery addresses, approval workflows, reporting choices, and more. So why start an Amazon business? Well, with Amazon, you get to make your own rules and work on your business as much or as little as you please. Being your own boss is a massive motivator for sellers of all kinds. What kind of skills are required to start an Amazon business? If you want to create a business on Amazon, you should develop digital and online abilities to sell whatever material things you have on the internet. Reasons why you should start an Amazon business. Amazon is welcoming new sellers who don't have much to begin with. You can start selling stuff from yard sales, thrift stores, or even around your house because there is a market for old and reconditioned items. It also reaches tens of millions of people. By listing things on Amazon, you may put them in front of millions of potential customers. Reasons why you should not start an Amazon business. Amazon has grown significantly over the years, offering millions of different products and constructing a slew of fulfillment centers or stocking warehouses around the globe. As efficient and appealing as it appears, Amazon is not without flaws. Here's a rundown of the issues as well as a few options for selling things on Amazon. Barriers to entry. It's becoming increasingly difficult to get on Amazon and begin selling simply. Amazon has been forced to grow more stringent in allowing who may sell, what can be sold, and how as the platform continues to take on new sellers who don't always follow the regulations. Competition is brutal. Many Amazon vendors don't have a one-of-a-kind things of their own. They resell items purchased in bulk from wholesalers or vendors like a retail gift shop or another store. If you can buy anything in size, so can many other people, resulting in a lot of competition for the same products. Positive feedback profile is a work in progress. On Amazon, just roughly 1 out of every 30 buyers leave feedback, so you'll need to sell many items to build up your feedback, whereas 1 out of every 3 eBay customer does. Is an Amazon business profitable? Yes, selling on Amazon can be successful if you keep your gross margin at 50% or above. In general, Amazon will take 25% to 30% of your profits as fees. So, how much does it cost to start an Amazon business? There are no other startup costs related to creating an Amazon business outside the earlier fees. Of course, you'll have to pay the standard startup expenses of any small firm, including paying for inventory, hiring, and paying employees, and more. However, Amazon is unlikely to charge you any additional fees or charges. So, how to start an Amazon business? Business or niche idea. Finding an Amazon niche entails recognizing a small pocket of Amazon keyword search traffic and conquering it with well-optimized listings and keyword ranking tactics. It identifies a segment of underserved clients and then provides them with the high-quality products they desire. Research product or service. Amazon Product Research analyzes current marketing trends to select winning items that create significant sales. The goal is to look for items obtained at a low cost and then sold at a competitive price with a reasonable profit margin. Assess needs. Every company requires an evaluation. It identifies the gaps and aids in prioritization so you'll know which difficulties and opportunities to get target first. ensures that your firm has all it needs to fulfill its goals. It enables you to extend and intelligently grow your business. So, if you want to start an Amazon business, you must first determine whether your product is appropriate for the platform. However, the decision to sell on Amazon should not be solely based on registration convenience. Sellers must also have a thorough understanding of what it takes to succeed on Amazon. Research competition. Research competition can help you gather the in depth data you need to understand how your competitors are doing, how they're doing so, and what you can do to improve to surpass them eventually. You must identify the appropriate competition to target. So, the best thing to do would be to filter them based on features, price offered, number of orders or sales generated, review, and ratings. Create a business entity. Your assets will be in danger if your Amazon business gets into legal or financial troubles. Depending on the business entity type, while operating as a sole proprietorship is low cost and low maintenance, it does not provide the firm owner with any personal liability protection. The assets and obligations of a limited liability company or corporation or S corporation, on the other hand, are kept distinct from those of its owners. As a result, if a consumer sues a business, the owner's mortgage or automobiles, retirement money, and other assets are frequently unaffected. Business licenses and certificates if necessary. To operate your business legally, the state or and maybe the county and local municipality where you created it may need you to seek licenses and permits. You may also be required to apply for a sales tax permit in those states or local jurisdictions, depending on where your consumers live. Get EIN. When a business entity establishes a business bank account, most banks require an EIN, an employee identification number, also known as a federal tax ID number. Is a 9-digit number assigned by the federal government to a corporation to identify it as a tax-paying organization. EINs are required for tax filing and other forms of reporting. The IRS provides an EIN for free, and business owners can apply for one of their own or have a corporate prepare and submit the application for them. Open a business bank account. Owners of businesses should keep meticulous accounting records and segregate their personal and corporate finance transactions and funds. LLCs and corporations that mix private and corporate funds may lose personal liability protection. Why? If the company is issued, a court of law may determine that it failed to take necessary steps to protect the corporate veil, which covers the owner's assets from the company's liabilities. Opening a bank account and a credit card account in the company's name and utilizing them solely for business purposes are critical steps in keeping personal and professional lives separate. Create a business plan. It would be best if you had a business plan because of the changing needs of customers. Competition among businesses is increasing, and as a result, companies are devising tactics to improve their competitive advantage. These tactics aim to lower manufacturing costs, increase net profit, reduce client wait times, or enhance quality. Product differentiation and integration are two strategies that many companies have used to achieve their objectives. Implement bookkeeping. Bookkeeping is essential for Amazon sellers since it allows you to track your business over time. Accurate and current bookkeeping will enable you to detect discrepancies quickly. Create a marketing plan. A marketing plan's goal is to make sure that marketing operations are relevant and timely to meet an organization's goals. It's a long-term plan for determining a competitive position and the resources needed to achieve it. Get a website. Amazon exposes brands and sellers to millions of potential customers. Find out if you setting up a website rather than selling on Amazon.com is the best option for your company. Get a logo. All marketing materials includes business cards, social medias, and emails are built around your logo. It establishes a professional identity that consumers can trust, going beyond seller ranking and reviews. Start email marketing. Amazon merchants who have and use an email list can conduct promotions for much less money and more effectively, launch new products for less money, and gain essential insights from their consumers in ways that other sellers will struggle to achieve. Start social media. Connections can be made, leads can be generated, cross-promotion and brand loyalty can be influenced. Authority and voice can be established, traffic directed where you want it, and improved customer service. For Amazon sellers and companies, social media can serve as a crossroads for all of these elements, as well as much more. Get a business insurance. Amazon sellers can get business insurance to help them recover from costly mishaps like a fire in a storage facility that wipes out all of their goods. Once you sell a specific amount, some policies are necessary, such as a general liability policy. Create a launch plan. A product launch is when a seller posts their product listing on Amazon for the first time. A successful product launch necessitates implementing a sales driven Amazon product launch plan. Start the Amazon business. So, what do I need for an Amazon business? Number one, business information. In addition to your legal firm name, address, and phone number, you could also be listed on this page. Provide an email address. This email address can be used to access the company account. Number three, use your credit card. If you have a credit card, you can make purchases from any country globally because the billing address is genuine. If your credit card number is invalid, Amazon will revoke your account. Number four, your contact information. It is necessary to provide a phone number to be reached throughout the registration process. During the registration procedure, be sure to have your phone close to hand. Number 5. A tax identification number. Your tax identification information is essential, such as your social security number or your business federal tax ID number. A 1099K tax document interview will be required for the registration process. And number 6. Tax ID from the state. Information about state tax IDs for states where you have a tax nexus, company offices, warehouse, and call centers impact this physical presence. The U.S. Supreme Court modified the law in June 2018 regarding e-commerce sellers' responsibility to remit sales tax for online purchases. As you watch this video, hope it will help you decide to start an Amazon business. Thank you for spending your time with us, and that will be all for today. And oh, don't forget to like and subscribe to learn more.